volume, these voices inside my head. Like every time I try to face these demons, I get consumed instead. You think by now I'd learned somehow, gotten used to being underwater. But when you've been running for so long, you start to wonder why you even bother. You gotta stand your ground, 'cause only you can fight for what you deserve. Oh, don't walk away from me. And now you're lost and you won't be found, 'cause only you decide what you want. Oh, don't walk away from me. Stacked against you, but it's time for you to make your move. 30 seconds in, you hit rock bottom. Now you got nothing left to lose. You think by now I'd learned somehow, you certainly shouldn't judge yourself.